The floating line command creates a line that is tangent to a selected arc, circle, polyline curve, or alignment curve. The floating curve command creates a curve arc that is a tangent to a selected arc, circle, line, polyline, or alignment object. The floating line and floating curve commands are developed and provided by WizDot. These tools can be used to solve complex geometry problems by creating floating lines or floating curves. Let's take a look at the floating curve command first. It's going to ask me to select a line, arc, circle, polyline, or alignment. I'm going to select this curve right here. It's going to ask me what the curve radius is, and I'm going to say 2000. And it's going to ask me to select the endpoint, re-enter the radius, make it tangent to something else, reverse it, or flip it. So let's go through a few of these options here. This is an interactive tool, so as I move the cursor around the crosshairs, you can see how the arc or the curve is going to take shape as I do this. So if we reverse it, it's going to go to the other side here. Let me just reverse it back. If we flip it, it's going to flip to the other side. Let me flip it back. And I'm going to try tangent to. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to create an S-curve in between these two arcs. So if I say tangent to and select this arc, it should solve the problem for me. And you see what's happening here is there's two solutions to this problem, so I have to choose one by actually picking it. So I'm going to pick this line here, this arc here. And then to finish out my curve, all I need to do is use the extend command to extend my original arc to meet the new curve. And now I've created my connection here at my desired radius. The line command works similar, the floating line. I'm going to select the same arc here, and I'm going to make another. This time I'm going to try to get this curve to go around perpendicular to a line that extends from that line. So for my endpoint, I'm going to select perpendicular to, and I'm going to select this line. And you can see it's giving me two solutions here. You can either go this way around the curve or that way around the curve. I'm going to select this one. And again, I'm going to use the extend command to extend my arc around to meet. And now I've solved that solution as well. There are a multitude of possibilities going through the options and the different geometry that you might have. So it's a good tool to play around with. One note of caution, be careful with O-snaps being on. The command does have a tendency to crash, not crash AutoCAD or Civil 3D, but just crash the command, and you'll have to click the continue button on the warning box there to continue.